It is time. I'm going to build a personal computer. I haven't built a computer in 10 years, and getting all this shit together was a pain in the dick right now, but I got stuff that I needed to put inside this to make it go. Let's go. So this is the Gigaboard. This is the Gigabyte B550M. The B550s over the B450s have PCIe Gen 4, so you get faster speeds with things like NVMe. This is the DS3H, whatever that means. Okay, this is on the cheaper end, for Australia anyway. Our prices for parts aren't as good as some other parts of the world. This was 180 bucks. And again, lower end. So let's open her up and start putting shit on a. It's a motherboard. Starting with the CPU, this is the Ryzen 5 3600. They have an X, which is the same, it's just overclocked a bit more. This is 4.2 gigahertz. That's fine by me. Of course, you can overclock it a bit if you want, but I'm scared of doing that stuff because I don't want it to catch on fire. There it is, the Ryzen 5 3600. This also came with the Wraith cooler, which is their stock cooler. We won't be using this today. Now, the scary bit. I'm going to lift this up, like that. They have the tiniest little triangle here, right in this corner. And you want to line that up with the triangle on the socket, which is right here. Very tiny, very tiny. Oh, let's move this a bit further over here. Gotta be careful you don't bend the pins and shit. And you wanna, like that. And then pray and hope for the best. We did it. Now we shall do, let's go the NVMe. Never done one of these before. This is the WD Blue SN550, Western Digital. This is, it's one of these. 250 gig is where I was going. I was going to say a thing and then I forgot what I was saying, and then I said it. This is 250 gig. This is just for the system. This is just for Windows. So I didn't get anything huge because I've got another SSD for shit. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. That is an SSD. All right, we're gonna unscrew this. And then we're gonna put her in here. Why do I keep saying her? Stop saying her. Like that. And then attempt to screw it down. It's a very small screw. All right, now we're gonna do the RAMs. I got some Vengeance here, LPX. This is 3200 megahertz speed, 16 gigs. Good thing about this board is it has 4 slots. Some of the more expensive ones I was looking at only had 2 slots. I was like, well, what if I want to upgrade later? I would have to replace everything. So I got these, and then I'll get some more RAM later if I need it, which I might. And we're going to go this one and this one because it's dual channel. And you're going to line her up. Until it clips. Now you're probably going to notice that there isn't a lot of RGB in this thing. That's because fuck RGB. Now we're going to fit our cooler for the CPU. It has RGB, so that's cool.